Hey everybody, it's August 6th, 2018, and if it's August 6th, Monday 2018, that means we're in Dipolog City. We're here visiting the city, visiting a couple of Lynn's childhood friends, and hopefully tomorrow, if the weather's nice, we're going to go to Karaoke Resort and go to one of the longest zip lines in the Philippines. Maybe ride some horses. So come along and check it out. This is the boulevard behind me. Pretty nice, huh? Day off Wednesday. Hello, sir. Ooh. Hey, this is like a Pajero, but it's a Hyundai. And actually, this looks like a Pajero, but it's a Hyundai? Huh. Okay. Alright, so right now this is the second time we've been in Antonius pension house. And I just thought I'd show you the other room. This one's 700 pesos, which is dirt cheap for Dipolog. It's got art. You guys know I like art. That's actually a pretty cool art piece. We have air conditioning, because you need that in the Philippines. I won't take any hotel room that doesn't have air conditioning. It's got a matrimonial bed for matrimonials. Got a collection of coffee cups, empty water, mirror, storage space. It has a TV with the usual weird channels that you get in the Philippines. The Gideons have been here, as always. And the bathroom, it's no frills for 700 pesos. You got a capo over there. You got a shower. There's no water heater, but the water's actually warm. Usually I scream like a little girl when I take cold showers in the Philippines. But the water's actually warm, so I don't know if they got an aluminum tank on the roof that gets heated up. It's got a Western toilet, a sink, Viano's pizza from last night. I do not recommend Viano's at all. So this is another option for you. It's worth spending the extra 100 to 200 pesos, which is $2 to $3. You just get a bigger room, a nicer room. Antonius pension house. I recommend it. If you're doing some budget traveling, you travel a lot, trying to keep expenses down, it's pretty good. And the boulevard again, just right there. Right over there. Alright. Alright, so this is the little courtyard where you can park in Antonius pension house. And the one thing I recommend not to do is book room 103. Because about 3 years ago, a transgender was murdered in this room by an Australian national. So, and rumor is that it's haunted. So if you're staying in Antonius pension house, you probably don't want to stay in room 103. Oh! Everybody's okay. Everybody's okay. They're going up for more. Alright, so this is actually Lynns Place, and the videoke is already kicking off. Our family works, they sell food down at a university, so we just brought all the food back on trike, and we're going to be doing videoke. And tomorrow, hopefully, if the weather's okay, if the weather cooperates, we'll be going to Karaoke. Not sure though. I can actually hear the videoke going already. Here they go again. Okay, they're gonna be making pass two. Hold on, wait. They're going again, but she hurt herself. They're gonna go again? Alright. Oh, they're gonna crash again. Alright. We're gonna work on the engineering on that a little bit. Alright, so what Dudong was riding here is basically made out of a carry handle from a carry-on luggage. And you see they got the little rollers on the bottom. Then he just banged on some wheels and a spinner wheel on the front to a piece of plywood. Actually, it looks like flooring. Yeah, it's flooring. And that's what he's riding. This is called Phil Genius. Here, show. Alright. Daddy's gonna put it together. Alright, that's how they do it. There she goes. Oh, she's having a little bit of trouble there. Operator headspace. A little bit of issue. She's gonna crash. Alright, nice try. That's all good. Good job. Aww. Your knee okay? Okay, da? Okay. That's okay. I can't speak either.